In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple Gmail accounts. To begin, open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to the Google account sign-up page. This is the official page where Google lets you create a new account, and it is the best place to start to make sure everything is secure and up to date. Once the sign-up page loads, look for the option that says Create Account. Click it and then choose For My Personal Use. This selection is important because it sets up a standard Gmail account for everyday email and personal services. Next, you will see fields for your first name and last name. Type those in carefully, since they will be associated with the account profile. When you are ready, click Next to continue. On the following screen, enter your birthday and select your gender. These details help Google manage account features and age-related settings. After you fill them out, click Next again. Now you will choose your Gmail address. Google may show a few suggested addresses that you can select right away. If you want a custom address instead, choose the option that says Create Your Own Gmail Address and then type the address you want to use. Keep in mind that many common names are already taken, so you may need to adjust it with variations until one is available. When you have an address selected or created, click Next. After that, you will be asked to create a password. Enter a strong password, confirm it by typing it again, and then click Next. Make sure it is something you can remember, and avoid using simple or repeated words. At this point, a QR code will appear on the screen. You will need to scan that QR code to proceed. Use your phone camera or the QR scanning option on your device, and follow what Google asks you to do. Finally, continue through the remaining prompts on screen to finish setting up the account. Once it is complete, you can repeat this same process each time you want to create another Gmail account. Starting again from the Google account sign-up page. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.